Hello everyone, we are going to make this beautiful flower for rubber band. So let's get started. Here we are going to fold this ribbon. After folding it, we are going to sew it as well. We are using thread and needle. Make multiple fold and sew it like this. Now we are going to tie a knot on the back side. Make two such flowers and paste both of them together. Put the pearl as well and paste the rubber band and look, it's ready. Today we are going to make these beautiful bow shapes. So let's get started. Here we are going to use light pink color of ribbon. You can take different color as well. After this we are going to cut small pieces and fold it. Make two such folds and put both of them one over another. Look how we are doing here. Now fold it from the center and tie it as well. You can use a thread. After this keep it aside. Now we are going to take another pink color of ribbon. Fold it and using lighter we are going to press it at the center. Make more such shapes and tug it at the center part. Here we are going to use a ribbon. Paste it like this and look, it's ready. Now we are going to take this beautiful lace and make multiple fold on the top of it and make a bow shape as well. After this combine it together on the top of the pink color of bow, and we're also going to put the clip at the back side and look, it's ready. Today we are going to decorate this hair clip, so let's get started. First we are going to put the glue and spread it evenly. After this we are going to paste all these rhinestones on the top of it. You can take help of a toothpick or a small stick. So hold all the stones and put it on the top of the clip and look, it's ready. Let's decorate it further. So we are going to take a wire and fold it like we're doing here in this video. We're going to put the rhinestone on both of its sides like this and twist the wire like this. After this we're going to make a beautiful butterfly. So fold it around the wings. We're going to do it using the rhinestones and pearls. So put all of them inside the wire and twist it like we're doing here in this video. Further we are going to decorate it like this and paste it on the top of the clip, and look how pretty this is looking. Let's decorate this hair band. First we are going to take this hair band and cover it using this black color of fabric. So put it inside the band and we're going to cut the extra part and fix it using fire. We're also going to put this tape on the sides of it, roll it and cut the extra part, and look, it's ready. After this we are going to cut the parts and look, your hairband is done. You can also put the bow on the top of it. Let's make the bow for the hairband. So we are going to fold this red color of ribbon, paste it at the center using double-sided tape. Now we are going to make two such pieces, fold it at the center, combine both of them together like we are doing here. We are going to make three bows. Let's decorate it further. So we are going to put this beautiful star shape at the center, tie it on the top of this black hairband, and look, it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful design for the top of this hairband. So let's get started. Here we are going to fold this printed strip of ribbon and make three such pieces. You can see these are of decreasing size. Now put all of them together, paste it at the center. We're also putting this beautiful star shape and tie it along with the hairband like this. Paste it together and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.